Good afternoon, guys. It's lunch time. So this is my food: fish and rice, plus bagoong na isda, or English, basta bagoong na isda. Plus this one, vanilla milk. This one I bought it a while ago because I'm hungry outside. So, and I didn't open, so now it's open because I'm hungry. Let's eat. Nice. I wash my hands. Wow, it's too salty. It's a dried fish and it's too salty, but it's good. This is galunggong, fried galunggong. Yummy. I put some lemon juice, commercial lemon juice, so that it's not too much salty. It's not salty. How are you guys? Let's eat, let's eat. What's your lunch or dinner? Or are you cooking for your lunch? This is not yet a mukbang because it's only few viand, or in Tagalog, ulam, or food. Agkamat ti Ilocano, agkamet tayo apo. Naimas ti agkamat. Word Ilocano both my parents are Ilocano, and they were born in one place in Region 1. That's why legit